Hey folks, and welcome to week number 5. I guess this is the second week working on essay number 2. So this week, watch the video. You're doing that right now. Great job. Then I need you to check your essay 1 feedback. My goal is by Monday of this week, or Tuesday at the latest, hopefully, when you guys start this week's worth of work, to have your essay feedback done on essay 1. If it's not done yet, it'll be done as soon as I can possibly get it to you, but it should be done Monday or Tuesday of this week. Okay, so view your feedback and complete essay 1 reflection. So right here, there's a quick video on how to view your essay feedback, and then there's a quick template on how to take a look at what your at the reflection templates. It's like 4 questions. I think all you have to do is answer those. Okay. If you've got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know with that. So once you've done that, then we're going to go in and do some work on essay 2. So I need you to go in and learn about all the things we're going to look at when it comes to determining how the journal articles that we've got came to the conclusions they came to, and to help us understand which one is better and worse. Okay, so there are 3 web pages I want you to look at. Study design. Okay, this gives just an example about the study and the population. I've got a couple links here. Please go to all of those. Okay. Authorial background and conflict. Again, there's a little bit of information here. Some questions to ask yourself. Look for statements in the footnotes or the endnotes about possible conflicts of interest. Okay, we'll see those at various points we saw those, I think, last week. There's a statement about a conflict of interest in the articles you guys read for discussion last week. Okay, so those, I want you to ask yourself those questions, and then journal background again. Who publishes it, what university houses it, what do the board of editors directors do, do any have specific conflicts of interest that might impact what they publish. Okay, so those 3 pages, I want you to go through, click all the links that are in them, and then there's a template here for your study analysis. So put a citation for your first article and a citation for your second article. And then I want you to write a bit of information about the study design. How did they design it? What do we know about it? What kind of study is it? What do we know about authorial background or conflict? What do we know about the journal? Okay. And as I try to do as often as possible, I actually give you guys a sample as well. Okay. And so you can see this is based upon 2 articles. Peters being one of them that you guys read for last week, and then there's a different one that actually does a study, which is why I chose it here. But you can see I've looked at the study design and sort of talked about it, what kind of study it is, how they establish the population, what do we know about the authors, what do we know about the background, okay? And the final thing in this chunk is to submit that activity. So there's the Dropbox right there for it. Okay. Now I'm going to scoot over. The last piece for this week is to write your proposal for essay 2. And again, there's a template, which is really just a Word doc that sort of like lays a couple things out for you, a sample, proposal, and a place to submit it. Okay, that is everything you've got for this week. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know. I am here to help, and I want you to succeed.